Okay, welcome to Packet Tracer Discovery 3, Chapter 3, Part 5.3, Configuring Wireless and Voice VLANs. What you have to do here is, this deals with VLAN trunking protocol, and so what you have to do first is, in real life you probably want to check the status of your equipment before you mess with it. So we'll go show VTP status, and it says this one's in server mode, and the VTP domain name is discovery, and we can go show VLAN. So here's our VLANs. All the ports are in the default VLAN here. So what they want you to do is create a VTP domain, which is partly done for you. We're going to name it Cisco with the password of class, and we'll select switch 1 as the server, and then 2 and 3 are going to be clients. And then if you need devices on different VLANs to talk to each other, you need a router. In other words, a router on a stick in this case. And then step 2 is create the VLANs. So you create 3 VLANs. VLAN 30 is named wireless, VLAN 40 is named voice, VLAN 20 is named data, and we declare those on switch 1, the VTP server. But in this exercise, make sure you use capital letters to start your VLAN names with, otherwise the activity won't give you completion. So I made a little script here to change the domain to Cisco class. Basically I'm compressing step 1 and 2 together for the switch. And go paste. Okay. Go show. Now it's throwing a domain mismatch because we haven't completed the exercise on the other switches. So we'll go show VTP status. We'll look at it again. Now there's 9 VLANs. It's still in server mode, but the domains is Cisco. And we can go show VLAN just for fun. There's our new VLANs listed. There's no ports assigned to it because it's a VTP server. It's not working as an access layer device. And then for switch 2 and 3, we have to go down here, and we're just going to assign, well, we don't have to declare the VLANs on the client switches, but we do have to assign ports to the VLANs. In this case they're identical on each switch that's a client. So just following the directions, we're assigning FA1 to VLAN 20, FA9 to VLAN 40, and FA17 to VLAN 30. And that should clear up the VTP clear up the little error messages here. Go show VTP status just to check. Yes, it's a client. There's 9 VLANs and the domain is Cisco. Show VLAN. This is the fun part. There's our new VLANs, and there's the assigned ports pulled out of this pool. And we'll do the same thing over here. Paste. Show VTP status. Again, it now has 9 VLANs. The domain is Cisco. I'll go show VLAN. And there's our identical VLANs and their assigned ports. So, whoops, I just repasted it, which is okay. Okay, now we connectivity test it. Going to ping the two PCs across. Okay, always forget what the IPs are. This is 20.10. Ping 192.168.20.10, and we'll get a reply. And we can ping wireless routers here on different VLANs if we like. Say the IP is 30.10. Notice the completion is 100% at this point. I'm just going to test it anyway. We'll go reuse our command. It's .30.10. There's no ARP table, so it's going to be a little slow. Alright, we have a successful reply. And that concludes this exercise.